Joe Tamargo from WetHeadPumpRepair.com, PumpRepairSupply.com, and SpaPumpRepair.com. I'm here with my boy Jetta. Welcome back, my man. All right, we've got fist bump chronic syndrome, or chronic fist bump syndrome. All right, so we get a lot of questions. Welcome to our interactive FAQ section. The first thing you want to do is hit the subscribe button below, and that will let you get the latest and the greatest videos from YouTube once a week delivered directly to your inbox. Yep. Okay, so we're back with another video. People always ask us, I don't know what they ask us. What was this question about?
They're asking us, what is that buzzing sound coming from their pump?
There you go. Nice job. What is that buzzing sound coming from my pump? Well, that could probably be because the motor bearings are bad or you have a bad capacitor. Okay, one or the other. If the motor bearings go bad, they lock up and they freeze, and when the motor goes to start and energize, it cannot turn this shaft. Inside of the motor is a shaft that spins like this, okay? And what happens is when these motor bearings lock up, it goes because it can't turn. Now, sometimes that's the problem. Now, the second problem is there's a capacitor that's located on these motors that we showed you on the videos. Right. They go bad and it won't let the motor start up. Now, how do you tell the difference, you say to yourself, right? How do I know the difference? How do I know? Well, what you want to do is just go to your motor shaft and see if you can spin it. While your motor shaft is inside the pump, you just want to spin your motor shaft. If you can spin your motor shaft and it's making a buzzing sound, it's probably your capacitor. If your motor shaft doesn't spin, it's probably your bearings. All right, this is Joe Tamargo from WetHeadPumpRepair.com. All parts are available at WetHeadPumpRepair.com, PumpRepairSupply.com, and SpaPumpRepair.com. Check it out, subscribe to the video, show some love. If you have any questions, use the contact form. Thanks for watching. Peace.